A very good morning to all of you students. Welcome here in this YouTube channel. Well, in last video we have started that unit number 25, that is about clauses. All the clauses, that is noun clause, adjective clause, we have discussed. Even I have given you the definition of adverb clauses too. Now we'll go for the actual use, means how to use these adverb clauses. I think two we have discussed, and now let's go for another three. That is, let me search it out. Okay, about place we have discussed. Now adverb clause of reason. Here you have to give answer of why. Okay, and the question is, she went to the office because her boss wanted to meet her. Okay, so here we will ask question using why. So why did she go to the office? And our answer is because her boss wanted to meet her. So this is our adverb clause of reason. Okay, now next is adverb clause of manner. Okay, manner we have discussed. Now adverb clause of comparison. And here you will not have to ask any question, but comparison you will find. See, it is cooler than it was yesterday. Okay, so here we have this. Then means comparative degree, and this part is our adverb clause of comparison. So these are the 5 adverb clauses. Now here on our book we have unit 25, page number 90. Here we have this box. What we have to do is this because, as, and since is used to show cause. It means that is used in adverb clause of reason. When, while, before, after, since, as soon as, that shows time. So that is used in adverb clause of time. Where, wherever, that shows place. That is used in adverb clause of place. If, unless, provided that is used in condition. Though, although, even though, even if, it is, this shows contrast. As if, as though, as, it shows manner. Then, as so, so as, it shows comparison. So if you can't find the adverb clause of time or any adverb clause from the sentence, so these keywords you have to remember, and you will find your adverb clause. So this is the description, students. Now we will go for the textual exercise. But before we go for textual exercise, please you note down this. After that we will go for focus exercise A. Now exercise Okay, focus exercise A. Underline the noun clause in the sentence. Only noun clause you have to underline. He asked me how I was doing. So what did he ask you? So how I was doing. Underline only this part. How I was doing. Secondly, this is where we saw a tiger. Where is not here. We cannot count where as a adverb as a noun clause. So this is not a noun clause. This is a adverb clause. But where we saw a tiger, underline that part. Number 3. The teacher saw that the students found the test easy. So the teacher saw that. What did the student find the test easy? So it is no. What did the teacher see? So the students found the test easy. That is our noun clause. That the students found the test easy. Please, just a minute, student, you just note down this. That the student found the test easy is our noun clause. Now number 4. Grandma didn't know whether Daksh was at home. So this whether Daksh was at home. I like what I saw at the gallery. What I saw at the gallery. And number 6 is what Smithy said made Yasmin cry. Underline what Smithy said. And 7. That Columbus landed in America is known to every student. Is known to every students. Okay, this is our focus exercises. A. You have to underline this part from the sentence. Now we will go for practice exercises. Before that, please you note down this. We have a very many exercise in this unit. Now next, practice exercise A. Underline the adverb clause in these sentences. Okay. See. First, as I sat there listening to my friend, my mind raced back to my childhood days. So this first part, as I sat there listening to my friend. Second, wherever you go, that is adverb clause of place. Number 3, she wrote all the relevant points. She wrote all the relevant points in such a systematic way that nothing was left out. Okay. It was made possible because they had made a strong foundation. Because they had made a strong foundation. Next is, even if they appoint somebody else in his place, they may still retain him as an advisor. Even if they appoint somebody else in this place. You have to underline this part, okay? Number 6. Though his tenure was short, he made his mark. Okay, now 7 and 8 you have to do in your homework. So this you have to underline. Please underline this or note down this. After that we will go for underline the adjective clause in the sentences. Okay, please note down this. Now, practice exercise B. Underline the adjective clauses in these sentences. My purple dress which has white roses painted on it. So that part is which has white roses painted on it. This part you have to underline. The man next door whose dog is out on the road. Whose dog is out on the road? Shobna met the girl whose mother is professor. Number 4. The book that is lying on the table is mine. That is lying on the table. Number 5. I have to reappear for the exam which I failed last time. Which I failed last term. The body lotion which is in blue bottle has honey in it. Which is in a blue bottle has honey in it. Okay, here 7 and 8 you have to do in your homework. Please you note down this. Now next is Combine the following pairs of sentences using the words given. Extension exercise A. What we have to do is we have to use the words of the bracket and we have to combine it. The plants dried up, he did not water them. So we have to put because in between. So the plants dried up because he did not water them. Second, he should have taken care of them, they withered. So here you have to put before between these two sentences. Number 3, there was not a single green leaf left. He noticed the sorry state. There was not a by the time he noticed the sorry state. They had dried up completely, there was no regeneration. Here what we have to do is there was no regeneration, that we will take first. After that they had dried completely. Okay, you just do this 4, after that 5, 6, 7 I will write, and 8, 9, 10 you have to do in your homework. Please you write this, students. Next is number 5. He bought a few flowers, he removed the broken ones. Okay. He removed the broken ones as soon as he bought a few new flower pots. Number 6. He introduced some new varieties of plants. They were in full bloom. Answer is he introduced which were in full bloom. Number 7, the seasonal plants looked beautiful. They had red and orange leaves. Okay, the seasonal plant looked beautiful for they had red and orange leaves. 8, 9, 10th you have to do in your homework. Okay, please you note down this. After that we'll go for extension exercise B. Please note down. Now extension exercise B. Underline the subordinate clauses in following sentences. Identify their kinds by writing N for noun clause, ADJ for adjective clause and ADV for adverb clause. First, I am not able to find the skirt that has an orange belt on it. Underline that has an orange belt on it. And it is an adjective clause, so write ADJ. Did you see that the baby was crawling all around the room? What did you see? So that the baby was crawling. Noun clause. Janki hopes that she will travel to Japan one day. It is also noun clause. I know the girl whose mother teaches us Hindi. Whose mother teaches us Hindi. It is adjective clause. Romila was sure that her mother will come to pick her up. That her mother will come to pick her up. It is noun clause. Bonita is willing to do whatever is required to win the championship. Bonita is willing to do whatever it requires to win the championship. Okay, so it is noun clause. Whatever is required to win the championship. Sorry, it is noun clause. Okay, 7 and 8 you have to do in your homework. Please you note down this. Next is extension exercise C. Underline the noun, adjective or adverb clause in these sentences and circle the word that clause modify. First, this is the bookstore where you will find any book that you want. Okay, so you have to circle the bookstore. Circle it and underline where you will find any book that you want. Second, the dinner that I had last night has given me a bad stomach ache. So, circle the dinner, underline that I had last night has given me a bad stomach ache. Number 3. The character she plays in the movie is based on Italian author. Circle the character word and underline is based on an Italian author. Cooking is an activity that gives me immense pleasure. Cooking circle the cooking word and underline that gives me immense pleasure. Okay, you just do this 4. After that 5 and 6 I will do. 7 and 8 you have to do in your homework. You have to just circle some words and underline that subordinate clause. Now number 5 and 6. Number 5 is while you and I cut vegetables, let's listen to the radio. Underline this part. While you and I cut vegetables. Underline this and circle this listen word. Please forward me this email to whoever is going to get affected by it. Circle the forward word. Underline to whoever is going to get affected by it. Okay, so this is your extension exercise C. Now it's time to give you homework. Let me revise you some of the homework which I have given you. So what you have to do is practice exercise A, sentences number 7 and 8. Practice exercise B, sentences number 7 and 8. Extension exercise A, sentences 8, 9, 10. Extension exercise B, sentences number 7 and 8, and extension exercise C, sentences number 7 and 8. So these two sentences from each exercise you have to do in your homework, and you have to post that homework in the group. Okay, we will meet again in next video with another new chapter of the GE. Till then, please take care. Bye.